Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So what do we have for you today? Well, we have a collaboration and it's called Home Decor Luxe Club for the month of October, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So now the main host of this collab is Glam Elegant Living, that's Lady Allie, and then the co-hostesses are Creations by Simone, the Rodgers House at Penny's Place, Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things, Amethyst Adventures, The Grace Life DIY, that's me, and a Happy Hoarder. So I'm going to be linking below the host and the co-host channels along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and head on over there and watch how we decorate and create for the month of October. So as we're coming to the end of the month of October, I wanted to display for you all of the DIYs that I've created during this month. So that's what I'm doing here. So right now what I'm showing you is the items that are on the tier tray, but previous to that I was showing you the DIY harvest pictures that I created that you can place in any area of your home, especially that little chocolate one. I believe you can place that in any coffee bar or coffee station that you create in your home. So now we move on over to this tier tray right here, and this I DIY'd the tier tray, and everything there pretty much is all DIY except for the pumpkins, and so that's what I'm displaying to you right here. I had so much fun making this. So this DIY here, I absolutely love making. Isn't that a beautiful pumpkin? So I created this DIY in one of the videos with 2 of the black vases and the buffalo check ribbon. I really enjoyed this DIY because these are the items that I'll be using to decorate for Thanksgiving. So this is the reveal of all of the items that I've created so far. I also did a shop with me, so I hope you watch that video. And I have a surprise for you at the end of this one. We are going to be creating a vignette for this video. So I hope you're enjoying these items as I enjoyed creating them. So let's move on over to the vignette.